I'm McKenna. I'm the Summer Reading Club coordinator, and today I have our week 9 Summer Reading Club craft for both age groups, 3 to 6 and 7 to 12. And this week it is our second last craft, and it is a handprint bookmark. So again, this is for both age groups this week, and when you come to pick it up from the library, you will of course get your little baggie. You will get a piece of colored foam board or like foam paper, a green piece of foam, a container of glue, and then your popsicle stick. So what I would start with is coloring your popsicle stick green, because this will make the stem of your flower and also what you will put in the book for the bookmark. And I used paint, but I actually think a marker or crayons would work much better because the dry time would be a lot less than paint would be. And then while you're waiting for that to dry, because the marker will need to dry at least a little bit, you can trace out your hand on the piece of foam. I gave you quite a big piece, and all you have to do is trace your hand. I wouldn't trace it really close to your fingers. I'd actually leave a little bit of a gap around each finger like I did on mine, because that'll make the petals, which are your fingers, nice and thick. And then you can cut that out, and then you can trace out a leaf shape. The leaf shape I did is kind of like a teardrop, but you could do any leaf shape you want. And then I would also cut this out. And if you want to add any designs to your flower, like maybe a little face or a bumblebee, you could do this now. And then once you have all those bits and pieces, all you need to do is glue the hand and the leaf to your popsicle stick to make your handprint flower. So you can begin picking these up from the library, from the front desk on August 14th. As per usual, quantities are limited, and if you would like to earn tickets towards prizes, please just make sure you send me a picture of your finished craft. I can't wait to see them, and I hope that you enjoy it. Bye.